Hi everyone, it's Dana from the Tao of Dana, and in this season of wealth, it's always a season of wealth, we're going to be talking about herbs that create abundance. And today we're talking about cloves. It's actually a spice. Cloves have been used for many, many years to create abundance, to ward off illness, to bring in more money, to create home protection, to actually protect people, their energies. And so we're going to look at two of my favorite ways to use cloves that have multiple benefits. So it's not just, a metaphysical benefit, it also has an aromatherapy benefit, all sorts of good stuff. So let's get started. The first way to use cloves, that is the most popular way that I've seen to use cloves, that I love, that's really fun, artistic, and easy, is to get yourself some cloves. These are just little cloves from the grocery store, and they are little guys they have like sort of a stem on the bottom, and you probably can't see them because I'm not going way up close, but they have a little bud on top and a little stem on the bottom. So grab yourself an orange. So I have an orange in here. Grab yourself an orange, any kind of orange. Oranges, if you haven't heard me talk about them before, oranges are amazing for abundance. On the Chinese New Year, people give oranges for good fortune, for luck, for money. I believe you make your own luck, but oranges are a wonderful symbol of cheer, of abundance, of prosperity, of wealth, of all of those things. So grab yourself an orange. They also smell amazing, and the scent of orange brings clarity and joy to your home. So grab an orange, and you take your cloves, and you literally stick them into the orange. So you could see I stuck one in before, and you can just keep going, and you can make a pattern. People make really beautiful patterns with these, and you just keep on sticking this in, and it becomes what's called an orange pomander. I don't wonder if I'm pronouncing that right. Orange pomander. And what this does is it becomes like a ball of aromatherapy. So you could smell the orange, you could smell the essence of the orange as you stick them in, and it looks really weird right now, but if you keep going, you can make a beautiful pattern, and you could do something really amazing with this. So you just keep sticking your cloves into the orange. You could fill the whole thing, you can make lines around it, you can make swirly patterns, you can do all sorts of artistic things with this, and they smell amazing. And you can put this, so I like to do, some people do multiple ones, I like to do just one. I put it in a big red bowl because red is a wealth magnetic color. It's magnetic to your eyes, it's magnetic, it's so loaded with energy and fire and all good things. So I put it in an orange, I put my orange in a red bowl. You could put it in any bowl. Some people hang them. I have no idea how they do that, but some people hang them. I've seen them hung in people's houses, but I like to keep this in the kitchen, in the dining room, on the table, anywhere where I want a burst of freshness. And again, this is a lot of wealth symbolism when you fill this all in. Now, the other way you can use cloves, if you haven't seen my video on burning resins, whenever you burn a spice or burn a resin, which is like an extracted resin of a tree or of a substance, whenever you're burning a resin, you are essentially just flooding your home with high vibrations. So very specific resins do specific things. And I have a video on burning resins that I will link below. But you can burn cloves to cleanse your home and make more space for wealth, similarly to how you would burn resins, and cloves are easier to find. So here's how this goes. When you're burning resins, you need a few pieces of equipment. And so I'm going to show you real quick. I like to get these Swift Light. No one tells me tells me to endorse them. I just love using them. These are Swift Light charcoal discs. So they cost a few dollars for a package. and I like to get big packages so they last for a very long time. I like to cut down on every bit of packaging. So they're little charcoal discs. Again, you can watch the process of how to burn resins more specifically in the video below. My little resin burner, this is a mortar and pestle bottom that I wasn't using, any fireproof container, and I filled it with sand and really packed it down so that it was really safe. And when I burn this, I'm gonna plop it right on top so it'll be burning. I never take my eyes off of anything that's burning. So I'm doing this in a haphazard way so I can show you quickly. So you light up your little disc and it will start to make little sparks and you'll see some smoke, and even though it doesn't look like it is on fire, it is. So I've got my little disc going. Do as I say, not as I do. I have my little disc burning, and once you have it burning, you can place on top a few cloves. You could pack it with cloves if you want. And what's gonna happen is, as the charcoal disc, it's kind of like a barbecue, as the charcoal disc heats up, it's going to start burning the cloves. And the cloves are gonna start sizzling a little bit, and you can start smelling the cloves getting heated up, and it's going to release aromatherapy and all of this essence of the clove into the air. So this is another really powerful thing to do. So I'm going to put this beside me. There's someone watching, so someone has an eye on this, so it's not going to go anywhere. So that's going to keep smoking. So using something like cloves can be an amazing way to bring fresh energy and fresh vibrations into your space. Whenever you add high vibrations, whenever you clear negative energy, whenever you create something that brings upliftment to your space, you are making room for more wealth. Money is energy. So every time you raise the energy around you higher, it creates more prosperity in all ways. Have so much fun with this. Right now, it's the literal season of wealth. If you're watching this when I first filmed it, below you will find a link to the free wealth Feng Shui videos. They are an hour of some of the most amazing Feng Shui rituals. People have made tens of thousands of dollars watching these, and I can't make any income claims that you will too, but it certainly can't hurt to start bringing all of this amazing energy into your space and making room for more wealth. So have so much fun with this. I'm going to go watch my cloves burn right now. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.